Welcome to the next video about LetConvert. My name is Danek, I'm from PitchGround, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your own or first own campaign in LetConvert. Before we start, we need to make sure that we set it up on our website. So we need to head into settings in here, and we need to head onto Pixel, and here we need to either copy and paste the code into the website header, or you can download the plugin for WordPress if you are using WordPress on your site, or if you have like a technical skilled teammate, you can add their email here and send them the code via email with instructions how to install it. One more step after you do this, after you successfully install the pixel on your website, be sure to go here and type your website URL in here to verify that the pixel is working correctly before moving on and creating your first campaign. Okay, once you are finished here, let's go back to campaigns. And here we need to create, we can tap on create new campaign and give our campaign a name. So like, for example, have testing new campaign. Yeah. You have a bunch of options here, so you can go through them. Like the main thing you need to change here is to add your website name. So if you want to use it, for example, on a whole website, just add your whole like this. You can also just decide where you want to, how you want to match the text with the website address. So if you want to use it on a whole website, you do like this. If you want to use it for specific URL, just paste the whole URL here or write it behind like this, and that'll work on the specific URL. Okay, then you can leave this as it is for now, and tap on continue. And here you have the option to choose what you want to show to your users. So you have the options to show them either the recent activity alert, as we were showing before. So you can show them that somebody recently did a conversion on your website, or you can show them how many people have bought this product or signed up for the service. You also can show them how many people are viewing this page at the real time, or you can show them user reviews as alerts on the website as well. And if you want to use multiple, simply turn it on or off, and it will show different and multiple alerts on your page. Okay, we can try to do it with the power trail alert, and simply turn it on and tap on this icon to customize it. And as you can see here, you can customize the main title. Here you have live preview on the left bottom corner, and you can customize the title in any way you want. So like you can write like this. You can change the alert message, so we can have signed up instead of purchase, and you can also change the templates of how it looks. So we can change to a different one, for example, this one, and you can also change the alert type, so it can be visitor or conversion, and alert window. So the amount of days it counts the amount of people who signed up. Okay, let's switch to template number 1, and then you have some general settings. You can display custom images or GIFs. Then you have the option to customize the design, so you can select different title color, message color, alert background color, or like anything. Then you have the option to change the font if you want to, and you can also change how it will show on the website. So right now we have fade in up, and we can do, I don't know, flash or whatever you want, rubber band. Yeah, this is aggressive, but yeah. So you can choose different animations on how it will show on the page. Okay, continue. As you can see that we have chosen one alert, this one, and we customized it. So right now we need to tap on next, and here you can select where you want to show the alert. You can also change how often it will show and how long it will stay on the screen. Again, I would recommend leaving these as default. You can play with them later when you try it out. You also have the option to control on how it looks on mobile. So you can either hide it completely or on your mobile phones, or you can decide where you want to show. So either on the bottom or on the top, and you can also optimize it for a mobile view. Okay, right now we are done with the campaign. So we just need to tap on Save Settings. And yeah, there it is. So we have a testing new campaign ready in our active campaigns. Okay, that's it for creating your first campaign. Congratulations if you followed the video and have your first own campaign ready. And see you in the next video where we'll be going over the reviews and how to use them in your on your website as well.